Right, part 2 of the renovation, and as you can see, the shed is up off the floor. It's on wheels on 4 corners and some timbers are here for the posts. Right, let's go around the back and show you what I've done. So I've actually now had access to the gate, which opens right the way up. So when the job is done, all this will be here will be for, you know, stuff you don't want to see from the front, stuff you want to hide. So yeah, so let's get on with the day's project, and I'll let you know how it all goes. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to look back, follow or share, whatever you need. But yeah, watch this lovely transformation.